Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a possible fix for your PlayStation 4 when it displays a black screen on your TV. So what I want to do is completely turn off my PS4. Now we can do this by holding down the power button on the PlayStation. So if we see it turned on and it has like blue light right here, hold down the power button and you will hear one beep initially, and then keep holding it down and you will hear another beep. And your PS4 will completely turn off. Otherwise, you can simply just unplug it from the wall outlet and then plug it back in and your PS4 will be turned off. Now we're going to launch this into the safe mode menu, and we will also need a USB cable connected to the PS4, and then connect the other end into your PS4 controller so you can operate the safe mode menu. Now when the PS4 completely turns off, we want to hold down the power button. We will hear that one beep initially, and then keep holding it down. We will hear another beep about 10 to 15 seconds later. Then we can let go, and then we want to press the PlayStation button on our controller, and we will be able to operate the safe mode menu now. So if it is displaying something on the screen, that means it's a resolution problem, and we want to change the resolution on our TV. So let's go over to the menu now and go on down to option number 2, change resolution. So your PlayStation 4 was displaying a resolution that your TV didn't support before, so it came up black screen. Then we can go on over to OK, and our PlayStation will restart, and then eventually we'll get to a menu where we can change the resolution on our TV. So it says select a video resolution. Right now I have automatic selected. That would probably be the best option for you. So you can scroll through here, you can see 480p, 720p, 1080, and that's all I have on my PS4 as options. So I'm just going to go to automatic and then press X on it. My PS4 will restart. So now I'm brought to the sign-in page and I should be good to go. I can see a picture on my screen. Now if you still are having issues, go ahead and try a new HDMI cable. Maybe plug the PS4 end into the TV and vice versa. Then unplug the PlayStation from the wall outlet for at least 1 minute to see if that works. And maybe try a different HDMI input. And on my TV, we want to make sure we have the correct input selected. So you can see I have a specific input that I renamed PlayStation 4, and it's kind of highlighted when I do have a signal from that source. And all these other sources are currently offline and not connected or powered on. So I know I can connect to my PlayStation by simply selecting this specific source, and I have a signal. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.